Hello everyone, I'm doing a video on Bumblefoot care. This is what I've learned from reading multiple sources online. I'm sure all of you have experienced being overwhelmed with all of the sources. Nonetheless, I've got two sets of gloves, one to wash the wound and another set of gloves to apply topical treatment. I'm using Neosporin and this drawing salve called Prid. I've cut up a few strips of vet wrap. I've got surgical waterproof tape. And here I am with my lovely girl. That's the dressing from yesterday. I'm going to go ahead and change it. But before all of this, I did do an Epsom salt bath for 10 minutes. And afterwards, I peeled off a little scab, which was the Bumblefoot. If you look up Bumblefoot, you'll see that typically when the infection is present, they develop a classical sign, which is a little scab. A lot of times people end up having to use a scalpel and tweezers to remove the inside of the infection. However, I'm not doing that, and I'm hoping that I don't need to. It really all depends on the grade of the infection. Based off of my research, her right foot appears to be a grade 1, which is a slight swelling with slight erythematous skin. The left foot is a classical sign with the scab, which is a grade 2, mild swelling. However, she does have foot pads. That's what I'm calling it. I don't know if that's what it's called. I should have probably looked it up. For a human, it would be the sole of the foot. So imagine the sole of the foot. Here I am. I've removed her old dressing, and this is her. She's been very patient with me. I'm showing you the left foot. As you can see, that used to have a small black scab. A lot of people end up opening that. That's the right foot. I can't really tell if it's swollen or if that's how her pads look. Like I said, I'm hoping I'm never going to have to do surgery. So here's the spray. It's an antimicrobial spray, which is specifically designed for poultry, but it could also be used for other animals. Now I am really cleaning her feet, although she's been pretty clean because I've kept her isolated, and I've been cleaning her area every day. I put a little dog pee pad, and I also put some straw, her food and water. Here I am taking off my gloves. I'm going to put a clean pair of gloves so that I can apply that little piece of gauze that you see I have in my hand with the Neosporin and the salve. Then I got the vet wrap, and I'm tying it around her feet, sort of making like a little imagine those little toe socks. Basically, that's what I'm doing, but without the toes being wrapped. They're free, so really the sole of her foot is being wrapped. I guess you can picture it like if they were sandals with little straps on each toe. That's the surgical tape so that it doesn't come off, and voila. And there we go. And I am able to clean my station, and that's why I had everything prepared.